कोई ऐसा गीत जो आप अक्सर कार में सुनना चाहते हैं, एंड कोई ऐसी फिल्म जो आप बार बार देखना चाहते हैं, तो क्लब सैमसंग से
अंदाज अपना अपना बहुत बहुत सॉन्ग्स हैं.
हैप्पी बर्थडे.
many songs.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
हैप्पी बर्थडे इज माय फेवरेट.
ये अवेलेबल है आपके ऐप पे, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. फिर तो ये बहुत रोज डाउनलोड होगा.
Favorite movie, favorite song, fast.
Favorite movie, it's difficult to say, but I can see this film called Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. My father was a part of it. I can see it over and over and over again. So maybe that, if it's available on the app.
It is.
In terms of songs, right now I would be listening to Aao Na from Heather.
बोल के गा के.
हाँ
गा के. ये तो at least प्रश्न उत्तर will shut finally. Come on, let's go.
गाने तो बहुत सारे हैं, but I love nowadays I love आ रात भर. So I would like that song to be there.
Shall we? Wajid, we need to show some respect.
रात भर जाए ना घर, जाए ना घर. Thank you.
From Heather, Arshia, who is playing one feisty journalist. So definitely some inspiration from all you guys out there, which I've tried to use in the film. So once you see the film, you guys can say how successful I have been. But I think one good quality would be that she stands for being completely honest and being completely righteous, even if it comes down to her loved ones. So she won't be unfair in that aspect. Sometimes you give that leeway to your loved ones, but she's very fair that way. So I would say that. But you guys have to watch it and say if I'm able to play that journalist up to the mark.
Well, I think Heather is a very complex part, and I think it required a lot of time and a lot of, honestly, I was very dependent on Vishal sir. I would say the kind of character that Heather is, he's more like a thinking man's hero. He's not somebody who just gets up and punches people and, you know, resolves the issue kind of scenario. He's really somebody who's sensitive and vulnerable and real and normal and would probably respond to things the same way that you and I would in a real situation in life. That's what made it so interesting to play the character, because there are various complexities that you get to portray. So yes, it did have an impact on me. I was told by my family that I really seemed rather different from how I usually am when I was doing Heather.
भी आपने देखा मैंने अपनी पॉकेट से कौन सा फोन निकाला? देखा नहीं, वहीं रखा हुआ है. देखिए वो मैं आपको प्रूफ दिखाता हूँ. सैमसंग है. Reverb. और उसके अंदर सैमसंग क्लब वर्ल्ड भी है.
I think yesterday it was different. iPhone था कल.
Which phone was it yesterday?
What are you saying?
iPhone. Yesterday
don't lie.
was iPhone.
You're saying our actors are like that we give them free dates and that's the.
What lies? आपके पास एक ही नंबर है. नहीं एक सेकंड, आपके पास एक ही नंबर है.
Of course.
मेरे पास बड़े सारे नंबर्स हैं.
Stars पर सबकी निगाह होती है.
मेरे पास कई सारे नंबर्स हैं मैम.
So madam already knows.
I'm not asking you your number. I'm just asking you कि which application you download and which phone you are using.
I told you Samsung and Club Samsung. You don't want to believe me, then what do I do? मैं तो सिर्फ Club Samsung देखा है. बहुत अच्छा है.
No lunch for you, Rakesh.
मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था कोई और ऐप है.
इतना पैसा
मैं खाना खा के आया.
के बाद
कौन से ऐप है यार?
खाना खिलाते हम लोग फिर भी.
WhatsApp है, BBM है, और भी बहुत सारे.
लेकिन इस पे मीडिया स्ट्रीम नहीं कर सकते, डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते. नहीं कर सकते WhatsApp.
New brand ambassador. Well done.
I was always excited when I saw Michael Jackson, so I wanted to learn more Western forms of dance. And my mother was very evolved, so she never really forced me to do anything which she felt she was doing. She always wanted me to do whatever it is that I enjoyed.
For more news and gossip, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.